Hi, in this video I am going to show you a quick and simple tutorial on how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome. So step 1, open your Google Chrome browser and search for something like feeltheskill. Search them. You will notice that the results are from the Bing search engine. So to change the search engine from Bing to Google or any other search engine, click on three vertical dots on the top right corner of the window. From the menu, click on Settings. In the Setting page, click on the Search Engine tab on the left hand side. You will see a change option is here. Then click on it. From the list, choose the search engine you want to set as your default. If you want to set Google as your preferred search engine, simply click on it. Now, when you search for something in Chrome, you will see result from the newly website from Google. So I type here. And you can see the result will showing in Google. So change your default search engine in Google Chrome is a simple process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates.